Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing these license plate bulbs with LEDs. These are the ones that I chose right here. Alright, so you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws, and this whole fixture will just pop right off. Okay, here we go. Alright, just simply pull this bulb out of here and throw that away. We don't need that anymore. Now we have our new LED package here. Just simply slide this out and just be careful not to touch the bulb. If your hands are dirty, clean them. It has a little aluminum heat sink on the back here. This simply just slides down into position, just like the other one. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and install. Alright, guys, there we go, they're in. Let's go ahead and try them out. And here's what it looks like after they're installed. Looks pretty cool. It's probably not as good on camera here, but I like it a lot. It's a good little upgrade. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next one.